Alrighty folks, I'm just sitting here in our brand new renovated coffee relaxation area. If you can see it, it's gorgeous. It's just a cool little lounge for you to come, plug in your laptop, have your cup of coffee, and chill. And I was sitting here having my little cup of coffee here, and I was wondering, whatever happened to the cup of joe? Well, a good old-fashioned cup of joe, delicious, from our coffee shop. A good old-fashioned cup of joe was basically 6 ounces, okay? That's what we're talking about, 6 ounces, right here out of the thermos, nice, steaming hot joe. Okay, so then what happened? Well, then we went to the bigger cup, and the bigger cup. And this is 12, this is 16, this is 20, this is 30 ounces. So when you're sitting here calculating your coffee consumption, and consider this for just a second, possibly people might like you a lot better if you drank a little less caffeine. I mean, be a little less jacked up, trust me. I don't want to harsh your mellow, but think about it. You might just want to drop the caffeine a little bit. It is the end of January, and I'm saying to you, like, how'd that diet do for you? How's your life change going? Maybe not so swell. So what I'm saying is, look at your sizes. And my real point here is not just the size of the coffee. Okay, this is all caffeine, no doubt about it. And I mean, trust me, America is jacked up on caffeine, and it's not a great thing to do. But let's just take this cup right here. This is your Grande Frappa Flappa Latte Latte, whatever you're getting from your coffee shop. Okay, you get it. What does it take to sweeten that? There's my point. And how much cream and dairy product does it take to make it taste the way you want it to taste? I think you would be stunned if you actually did the research and found out how much dairy product and how much sugar you're pumping into your system. And since we're on a tirade here, because it's my time, you're sitting here with me, let's talk about even these artificial sweeteners. Okay, how many of these does it take for you to make your Grande Frappalapo taste the way you want it to? Do you understand that when your body grabs this, it grabs it just like sugar? It doesn't know that it's artificial. Okay, no calories. Who cares? The fact is your body grabs it, starts to digest it, and takes all the milk and dairy in that coffee and puts it into storage, which is fat. So think about that long and hard. This is Chef Jen White with today's Kitchen Minute. Remember, rock the dock and maybe downsize just a little.